Welcome back to my channel. We have a seafood mukbang for you today. So what we got here? We got some mussels, some shrimp, some crab legs, and I got a blue crab, some potatoes, all that good stuff. I got me some sauce right here. I got my water. I'm gonna put that in there right now. No, this sauce is going to be spicy, so let me go and put this in here right now. Okay, y'all. So let's try some corn first. Corn juicy. You got stuff flying everywhere. That one empty. Must have broke off my meat. Muscle must have fell out. So let's get on these here mussels. I know it's gonna be spicy. Excuse me. Woo. How y'all doing today? It's about 3 o'clock. And I haven't eaten all day. You know again, got stuff running out down your jaw. Look at that. Are you hungry? Why? Oh my goodness. I'm so hungry. And this is so good. I hope you got to see my food. This is so good. Seafood bowl. Yes, yes. These shrimp's good. It's a cold Saturday. Cold and rainy. Look at my potato. I bought it too long. My daughter told me at the last minute that she wanted one, and I started, and she wanted. Oh my God! It's still good, but it's falling apart. Oh man! That one ain't open. I'm not gonna eat it. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's move it on. Move it on. Moving on. Ooh, it's a lot of juice. Okay. 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 It looks like it's good. It is good to me. Okay. Let's get these mussels on out the way. I can't sing, y'all. I know. It's okay. As long as I know. And I do know. I do know. This food is good. That's what I do know. I cooked this myself, y'all. Hope my presentation is good. Some of this stuff I had refrozen on my last mukbang, seafood mukbang. So I'm gonna eat it now. Still good. Still good. Yes, it is. I forgot I had this king crab in here. Oh, here's, dang. That ain't gonna come out right. I can see that now. It ain't gonna even treat me right. Get everything in there. See, it's empty. It's empty right there. Let's get this little crap. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, see that? Oh man. Let me get my thumbnail. Look at that. I cleaned that one. This is so good. I'm gonna need a nap after this. Yeah. There's some broccoli in there. Overcooked. I want it. So I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna try this bit claw. Oh, that's claw. Ooh, it's sticky. Sticky, wicked, wicked, wicked. Wicked, 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 wicked. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna do. Ooh. Oh, why? That flew everywhere. Ain't coming out right there. Still good. Put that in that side right there. Get that together. What these? Yeah. Got my crab crack of the night today. Ain't night. trying to do this video, but saying the wrong stuff. Have to catch yourself. Talking too fast or too much. I don't talk too much. Yes. Whew. Y'all enjoying the video? Or y'all enjoying the video? I hope you are, because I love each and every one of you. And I appreciate, excuse me. Each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Not nothing. Let's see. Ouch. Let me smash my own bagel. Mr. Blue Crab. Mr. Blue Crab. This is the last little bit, guys. Get off all that stuff you don't supposed to be eating. Yeah. Crack that up. It popped on it. Wait a minute, y'all. Got some all the way up here. I feel it. Okay. I'm getting full, y'all. Whew. So good, but I'm so I did finish it out. I finished all my food, so for little pieces. That was delicious. So you guys, I am done eating for today. For now. Not today. But if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Tara TV. Tara Telling TV. Sorry about that. And please make comments on what I need to do better, what you'd like for me to do, what you think I should do, anything like that. All your comments are welcome. So, we'll see you on the next video. See you guys later. Peace.